In a sunlit apartment, a slick-eyed cat studies a door handle, a note left by a forgetful neighbor, and a gleaming smartphone. With patient paw taps, it unlocks the door, retrieves a dropped key, and sets a timer on the smart speaker to summon a friend. A puzzle unfolds as the cat rearranges hallway magnets to reveal a hidden compartment, pulling out a long-lost wallet. Humans gape as the cat tilts its head, as if saying, "I planned this," while cinematic lighting seals the moment. Dusk settles, the cat slips into shadows, leaving grateful smiles, and a mystery exquisitely solved.